Hey beautiful soul, it's Shandy, and today I have a beautiful butterfly inspired sweater pattern for you. This is the Scrumptious Zammy sweater by Janice Niblock. It's a luxurious new sweater design that we have for you that blends elegance with comfort and just the right amount of cabling fun. Zammy is a relaxed fit sweater that features delicate cables inspired by butterflies taking flight. And this design is all about flow. From the beautiful, delicate little cables to the silky softness of the yarn, it's a piece that really feels like magic on your needles and even better on your body. This Zammy sweater is designed with transitional seasons in mind. It's lightweight, it's breathable, and it's perfect for layering. And I love how the cabled motif is so thoughtfully spaced around the design to help maintain that airy feel while giving a beautiful little pop of interest on this ribbed background. It really is a beautiful piece for anyone wanting to practice their cabling techniques without working on a bulky winter project. To make this, the body is worked from the bottom up in two identical pieces, so front and back until you reach the neckline. And then you have options, and I really love this in the pattern. So there are instructions for a higher neckline and a lower neckline, and I recommend putting the higher neckline in the back and the lower one in the front, but I do love that there are options for you so you can get the perfect look that you want. And for those wanting a little bit of extra length, super easy to do. You can continue to add more rows until you get to the underarm. So just work the design in pattern and you'll be good to go. And then the sleeves are actually worked seamlessly from picked up stitches, but if you prefer a more traditional method, you can work them separately as well. And here's a finishing touch that I absolutely love. You can leave the bottom 2 inches or however long you like of the sides open for a nice little stylish slit. I think it's so beautiful. It adds some movement to it, allows you to wear this over dresses or jeans, and it just fits so nicely on the hips. I did want to mention too that Zammy comes in sizes extra small through 6XL, which is super cool. And as always, when you're making patterns that are in multiple sizes, I recommend that you go through with a highlighter and highlight your size all throughout the pattern so that as you work it, you don't have to try to figure out where you're at. You can just easily see what you're supposed to be doing. As for the yarn that we used, we opted for one of our newer yarn bases. This is called Harmony Yak Fingering. And if you have not tried this yarn base before, I think you are going to fall in love. This is a single ply fingering weight yarn that's an incredible blend of Superwash Merino Wool, shimmering silk, and super soft yak fiber. So it's soft, it's silky, it's breathable, and it has that gorgeous kind of drape that makes you want to wear projects every day. And thanks to the natural yak fiber, which is unbleached, all of the hand-dyed colors take on this really softened, heathered look, which makes for a beautiful, subtle texture in projects like this one. So I think you're really gonna adore it. I am giving away 6 skeins of this beautiful walrus color, which is the color that we used in this sweater, and it will make all the sizes. If you would love to enter, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment the word butterfly below. We're gonna choose someone soon, so you might win all these gorgeous skeins. You can download this pattern and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. And while you're there, of course, be sure to sign up for email and text updates. If you haven't signed up for text updates yet, it's super fun. I send out little quotes and positive things and coupon codes that you are not gonna find anywhere else. So it's really super fun. To sign up for texts, when you go to the website, you're gonna see a pop-up asking for your email. So enter your email, and next it's gonna ask for your number. So you can enter your number there and say you would like to hear from me via text. And we're also gonna put some links below where you can go directly sign up for email and text updates. To work this design, you are gonna need to know how to work these luscious cables. So if you would love to practice, grab some yarn, grab some needles, and grab a cable needle, and let's jump in. We're going to start with the 2/2 left cross. So go ahead and grab a cable needle, and you're going to slide 2 stitches onto that, and we're going to hold them in the front. 1, 2, so just bring those to the front. You're going to knit 2 stitches from your left needle, boop, boop, and then you can knit directly from your cable needle or slide them back onto your left needle and knit from that, which is what I'll do. Knit those, and then that is it for that one. Now we have a 2/2 left purl cross, so very similar. We're going to start by placing 2 stitches onto our cable needle, and we're going to hold in the front. But instead of knitting our next 2 stitches from the left needle, we're going to purl them. So bring your yarn to the front, purl the next 2 stitches from your left needle, boop, boop, and then knit the next 2 stitches from your cable needle or slide them back on. And we're just going to knit those. Now we're going to do a 2/2 right cross. So we're going to place 2 stitches onto our cable needle and hold into the back of our work. Boop and boop. Then we're going to knit 2 from our left needle. And then I'm just going to slide these back on, or of course you can knit directly from your cable needle. Depends on the type of cable needle you have and what you feel most comfortable with. And then you're just going to knit 2 stitches from the left needle, like so. Now we're going to work a 2/2 right purl cross. So go ahead and place 2 stitches on your cable needle and hold in the back. 1, 2. Then we'll knit 2 from our left needle. 1 and 2. And then we're going to purl these 2 stitches that are on the cable needle. So we'll just slide them back on. It's a little easier to do that when I'm showing you how to do this. And we just purl these 2 stitches now. Purl, purl. And finally, a 2/2 over 2 right purl cross. So we're going to start by placing 4 stitches onto our cable needle and holding into the back of our work. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hold those in the back. Then we're going to knit 2 from our left needle. 1, 2. Next we're going to move 2 stitches from our cable needle back onto our left needle. 1, 2, and now you're going to move your cable needle to the front. So you're kind of doing a little switcheroo. So swing it around to the front, like so. Then we're going to purl the 2 stitches from our left needle. 1, 2, and then knit 2 stitches from your cable needle. I will slide them over onto my left needle. All right, now we just knit those. Boop and boop. So that one's super fun. And it really is as easy as that. I hope you have a marvelous time knitting this one. And this design really feels like a gentle breeze and a warm hug all at once. So it just might be your next favorite knit. We'll leave links below to the pattern and the yarn, of course. And I will see you next week with another beautiful new design. Enjoy your week and I'll see you then. Bye.